YouTube, what's up guys? Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. It's windy outside, but we're going on a road trip. Look at that, we got three monsters. Look at that. We are going to pick up a really special part that I'm really excited for. I went on Instagram, go to my Instagram and check this out. I wrote on there, should I do no wing? Should I do like a carbon fiber wing, or should I do TRD? Barely, but most people said TRD, so that's what we're on the road trip today. So we're gonna drive a long trip, about 300 miles round trip. So I got a bunch of caffeine, you know me and my white monsters, I love these, are like water. So we're gonna go and drive about 300 miles to pick up this TRD wing, authentic OEM. I'm really excited. I was glad I found it. But we're gonna be taking the Evo on the road trip. This is a great road trip car. Absolutely. The one thing that's bad about it though is the gas mileage. Fun to drive, it's really quick, just the gas mileage. But lately, I think I've gotten about 24 miles to the gallon on the highway, which I was pretty proud of, because I usually get like 18 to 19. So anything above 20, and I was getting 24, I was really happy. But let's go ahead and jump in the Evo and head out to pick up a real authentic OEM TRD wing. All right, for the boys. It's like water. I love this stuff, man. White monsters, they're just the best. It's like the bodybuilders go-to. I love them. They're so good. Okay, so I get a lot of comments. Hey, where do you get a TRD spoiler, you know, or an OEM one? So there's a couple versions of TRD spoilers. There's a couple ones that are like fiberglass replicas, and they're usually called TRD style. There's a TRD style, and then it's a fiberglass replica. The way that you can notice if it's an OEM or not, one is if there's on the bottom of it, there's a part number that says Toyota. And then if it's, some people don't mind. A lot of times people don't mind. Hey, I want a more affordable, new, not used one. You can go get a fiberglass replica one. And I think they're like 300 bucks or 250, something like that, $250, 300. I'm not sure how much they are. I think they're right around there. And then they also make a Wings West one, and you can tell the difference because at the mounting points, the bases of the wing, they are more rounded and not as pointy as the OEM TRD high style, or TRD. The high style is on the MR2. This is called a TRD spoiler. That's what it's called. The other thing is that a lot of them don't have brake lights, third brake lights. So in the middle, there's a third brake light of it. A lot of them don't have that. That's another giveaway. And then the last one is that the Wings West, or the replica ones, the wing sits slightly lower, like a little bit lower on the mounting points, and that's about it. If you want a TRD OEM one, cool. Okay, so that's fine. That's what I want. The other ones are fine too. I've seen them before. There's no hate on them. It's just, it is what it is. I like the style and I like the look of it. So I'm getting an OEM one, and it's absolute white, so 3PO, so it came off with white. And it's in okay condition. I don't really care that it's not in perfect condition because I'm gonna paint it. A lot of the ones I've seen, if you're gonna get them secondhand, you're probably gonna want to repaint them. And maybe I'll do a video about how much that costs to get repainted. I would say anywhere from like $150 to $200-ish area to get it repainted in an OEM color. It shouldn't be more than that. It should be like $300. That's pretty expensive. That being said, the main question I get is, where do you get these? So I've gotten maybe 5 in my life of OEM ones. I've never owned I've seen a lot of the replica ones, but I've never owned one, and I've seen a lot of the Wings West ones, but I've never owned one. I did have Wings West side skirts at one point and a Wings West front lip, which I think looks pretty good on the earlier models, really good, especially if you can't find an OEM one. But where I found them, and I seem to find good luck with them, is junkyards. So if you go to a junkyard, a lot of times the Toyota Celica will be totaled and it'll be sitting there, and no one wants to go rip the wing off because it's actually quite a bit to rip the wing off. That being said, that's where I've had good luck. I think I've gotten 2 from there. I found one on a website. I can't remember what website it was, and it was it was like powdered red. It wasn't in good condition, but it was already primered, and I had to do a little fixing on it. And then this one I got is, I always look on Craigslist. That's my #1 go-to, is Craigslist. But I've noticed that Craigslist is kind of a dying breed. It's an old website, doesn't really have as much stuff as it used to. The money maker right now for all you guys to look for parts is Facebook Marketplace. My girlfriend just introduced me to Facebook Marketplace about 9 months ago, and there is a lot of good car parts on there. So if you're looking for TRDs or whatnot, Facebook Marketplace, I mean, if you go to Southern California for Evo parts, there's so many Evo parts. Celica is still a little bit harder to find, so I do recommend junkyards first. And the way that you do it with the junkyard is you just look them up, you call them and say, hey, do you guys have any Celicas? And you tell them the year you want, and they'll say no, but they'll say, you know, the one next door has one, or this shop has one. And a lot of them, believe it or not, I think I actually got another TRD high style spoiler from a junkyard in Arizona, I believe, and it came off of a wrecking car, and they actually packaged it up and shipped it to me. So from a junkyard. So there, it's like if you're looking at one that's out of state or like out of country, sometimes they'll ship it to you. So I wanted to say this is I'm driving a lot, a good time, but this is helpful for you guys if you want one. Those are my tips. Facebook Marketplace, definitely a wrecking yard or salvage yard, or they're called U-Pick salvage yards. Those are really good. You can find a lot of stuff for Toyotas there. I mean, FRSs and everything. Sometimes they're picked apart, there's not much left, but sometimes you'll find a good one. You're like, oh. Go just for a little bit. Everyone still loves the Evo. Evo just gets so much. I think my red Celica GTS, the last one that I had, was really a good attention getter. That one got a lot of attention. I got a lot of like thumbs ups from that one. So Evo, you get like the bros. Like bros love Evos. And girls like Evos too. So Evo is a huge fan base. Everyone likes Evos. All of them, all generations. The MR2 gets like supercar attention. Like people like the MR2. And then the Lotus. I haven't driven the Lotus enough to get any kind of like feedback. Believe it or not, I drove the Lotus without the front clam for like a half a mile, and I got two nice cars. Like there was no front clam to it. So I'm assuming that the Lotus is probably gonna get the most attention, but since it's black, it doesn't grab that bright red on cars like the MR2. Everyone says nice car, nice car, nice car. Same with the Evo, nice car, nice car. But it's funny, you can buy a car and it gets different kind of appreciation. Like if you get a hypercar or a supercar, everyone likes it. You get an Evo, all bros like it. You get like a Miata or something like that, like girls are like, oh, that's cute, you know, that's cute, that's cute. So it's really funny the type of attention you get on cars. But Evos, they go hard with the bros. Oh man, the things I do for car parts. Jeez, it is coming down. Woo! Everything was fun and dandy. This is crazy. Oh, like I said, man, it's worth it. TRD. Oh my gosh, this the camera doesn't do it justice. That is intense. There we go. Now we're getting a little bit cleared. It was hard to see anything. Okay, we made it here. Oh my gosh, I think he's in that Civic over there. This is like the nicest Chevron I've ever seen. Look at that thing. So nice, it's huge. It's a casino. Cool. Well, thanks for bringing this out here.
Oh, man. 2 hours for you, 1 hour and a half for me.
Oh yeah, thanks so much. Awesome.
Do you have a Celica?
Yeah, a Tsunami edition.
No problem.
Thanks for driving up here.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Hope all the drive is good for you.
Yeah, thanks. Enjoy autocrossing.
Yeah, thanks.
Bye. So we just ended up with a TRD wing. So he has a GT Celica, and let me put this in the car real quick. So he has a GT, so this is off of a Celica GT TRD edition, and he doesn't really care for the wing. He doesn't like it. He doesn't think it looks good. But look at that. It actually had all 4 mounting points. These are the things I was talking about. These are always missing. Like they're never there. And then he had 3 of the 4 nuts, and then he had the wiring, which is nice. There he goes. But oh man, that reminds me of my original car. That's awesome. So I found one. Yeah, good deal on him. Paid cash for it. We got this. So I'm gonna actually paint this the Tsunami color right here, and then I'm gonna do the Onyx Black from Toyota on that right there. I think that'll look really good. I'm gonna have my buddy Clayton do it for me, but woo, look at that, TRD wing. Yeah, man, that was so nice of you. Thank you so much. He drove an hour my way, and I drove 2 hours down, so we met right in the middle. Again, this is a nice Chevron. I'm gonna grab some energy, well not energy, but like a protein bar, and then head back on the highway and bring this back I'm really excited. I'm glad I found a TRD. I'm probably gonna do that another lip like I did last time, where I did a little lip spoiler on there too, to give it a little extra kick. And then I think I'm gonna keep the Tsunami. He was just telling me too, oh, you have a Tsunami and you have the Tsunami ring. That is like the rarest wing. And I've had like 7 people reach out and say, can I buy your wing? And I mean, I had a guy from Ireland, a guy from Australia, and a guy from California, and it's just like everyone's like wanting the wing, and I was just like, I think I'm gonna hold on to the Tsunami wing just in case I ever go to sell my car, or in case I just want to go back to factory. I can give that buyer, or I can just change my style. Maybe I want Tsunami for the weekend, and maybe I can just remove 4 bolts and pull off the TRD wing. So I think that'd be kind of cool. But that being said, let's go ahead and jump back in the car. I have accomplished, mission accomplished, mission accomplished. Make sure to hit the like button for the mission accomplished. We'll jump back in the car and head back home. First off, let's just appreciate how beautiful this Evo is. Whew. Evo, always getting the thumbs up. And that fits perfect. That's awesome. Bingo. Awesome, what's your name?
Jaime.
Jaime, I'm Mitch, man. Nice, this is beautiful.
Where you headed to?
Washington, Seattle.
Going to Seattle?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You came from there.
Really?
It's raining.
It was so rainy.
Oh,
the highway.
It's so rainy.
Oh
Once
man.
you pass Centralia, it's all heavy rain.
Heavy rain, huh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So
The way it is.
oh, it looks nice.
All I did was the wing and.
The wing, yeah, yeah, yeah. Huge. That's all. Is it fast?
420.
Yeah, it's fast. Yeah, it's faster than mine. That's awesome. Who tuned it? Do you know?
There's a guy I live in Tacoma.
All right, we got a protein cookie and some beef jerky. Let's go. That was awesome, dude. Jaime, nice meeting you, bro. I love that Evo. That's the second one he's had. Woo, that's a nice Evo. All right, let's get back on the road. Okay, so we're on our way back. I don't know if you guys see that. It says 80 miles left on this tank. I got 98 miles left. So I made this whole road trip and used an entire Evo. Man, lots of cool cars. It is a Saturday. When you get Saturdays, you get nice cool cars around here. Look at that thing. That's nice. I can't help it, I'm just a car guy. Look at that thing. It's mobbing in the rain. Oh man. Look at that, it's like a wake. Oh snap, that's crazy. Little bullet. I love that car. I'm just car guys. I'm just a car guy, guys. I love it. I swear, it's like always, man. So we gotta get more out of gas. I got 22.7 miles per gallon. That's pretty hard. I almost ran out of gas, so there's 2 lights on it. The double light came on it, but we got some gas. So we're picking up a little bit of Chevron, and then we're gonna head back. But I did get that spoiler, and I'm pretty happy. Man, what a road trip though. It was a big journey, but there it is, all perfect. I'm so excited to put that on the Tsunami edition. It's gonna be awesome to have a TRD, a real TRD on the Tsunami edition. Okay, so I just made it home and actually just did my garage floor. That looks really nice. So happy I got this. I'm really tired. That was a big day. That was a big travel. Worth it though, because I got to drive my Evo and I really love the Evo. And then I got a TRD spoiler OEM. Really excited. So I will be doing a video how to install this. Please make sure to hit the like button for this video. I gotta remove it and take it apart because I'm gonna get it painted. And so I'm gonna do this, the pillar. I was showing you guys. I'm gonna do the pillar, the same color as a Tsunami, and then I'm gonna do the middle part black. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wire the third brake light. Yeah, so I'm gonna wire the third brake light into the license plate LED lights for my website, MITCHDORE.COMHOW. It'll be cool. But I can't wait to see this thing all done. Make sure to hit the like button, guys. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I'll see you guys on the next video.